Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use and what is Atlassian Intelligence in Jira. If you're using Jira, you might have noticed Atlassian Intelligence appearing in your workspace. But what is it, and how do you use it effectively? Atlassian Intelligence is Jira's AI-powered assistant. It's designed to help you work faster by generating tasks, creating summaries, suggesting priorities, and even drafting stories based on context you provide. Let's begin. First, log into your Jira workspace. Navigate to the project where you want to use Atlassian Intelligence. Let's go to the description section. As you can see, there is the Improve Description button, as well as the Ask Nora button, which are both features of Atlassian Intelligence. When you click on Improve Description, it's going to use the AI and rewrite the description for you. Also, when you click on Ask Nora, it will give you a space where you can insert a prompt for it to assist you on. So, for example, we're going to insert the following prompt and run it. Usually it takes time, so you gotta wait for it to finish, but let's just skip it for now. Under any part of your project, you can write /AI, and the AI prompt option will automatically appear for you. By clicking on the plus button, you can upload files, add a link, and mention someone, so the AI uses this and gives you a formulated response. Always review AI suggestions before publishing. While the AI is powerful, it may sometimes misinterpret context or assign the wrong priority. And finally, Atlassian Intelligence respects your Jira permissions. It only accesses projects and issues you have access to, so it's safe to use without worrying about exposing private data. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.